Good day. Thank you for calling AR Hotel and Restaurant. This is Alessi, your reservation assistant. How may I help you today?
Hello. I'd like to make a table reservation for dinner tomorrow night.
Certainly, ma'am. May I have your full name, please?
Yes, it's Raisa Clave.
Thank you, Miss Raisa. May I also have your contact number?
Sure, it's 0917-123-4567.
Noted. For what date and time would you like to make your reservation?
For September 10 at 7 p.m.
Perfect. And how many guests will be joining you?
Will be 4 people.
Would you prefer a smoking or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking, please.
Got it. Do you have any special requests such as dietary restriction or seating preference?
Yes, if possible. We'd like a table near the window.
Of course. I'll note that. Let me repeat your reservation details to make sure everything is correct. This is a dinner reservation under Miss Raisa. Contact number 0917-123-4567. For 4 guests on September 10 at 7 p.m. in non-smoking area with a request for a table near the window. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Wonderful. Reservation has been confirmed. Thank you very much for choosing AR Hotel and Restaurant. Miss Raisa, we look forward to serving you tomorrow evening. Have a great day.
Thank you so much.
You're most welcome.